Okay, you guys, so we are just going to soar right into this video, okay? We are going to be making some homemade sloppy joes. This is kind of similar to the one that I previously made, just a little bit different. So I am starting off with some ground turkey. I use ground turkey all the time. So I like to go to Sam's Club and get the double pack. But anyways, I put this in a frying pan that was already heated with some oil and added my seasonings. Now add whatever seasonings you want, but I did choose to add chili powder, salt, and garlic powder. So while that's cooking down, I did make some chips, like those Buffalo Wild Wing chips that they have with the cheese on top. That's what we're going for. So I cut up some potatoes in slices and I am going to fry those in oil. And while those potatoes are cooking, because I put a lot in there, and they go cook, I'm just let them cook without moving. I chose to add in some tomatoes. So I added in the can of petite diced tomatoes. Before I didn't use tomatoes at all. So you have the option, you can use tomato paste with a little bit of ketchup and some brown sugar. You can use, make your own sauce, blend up some tomatoes, or of course, ketchup is made with tomatoes. So when I made this before, we just used tomatoes and I diced up some onions and some bell peppers, and I will link that video below in the description box. So I added some brown sugar, of course, because it just makes everything taste so much better. And I'm going to give this a good mix. And so I did taste it. It needed some more ketchup. It tasted bland. Who wants a bland sloppy joe sandwich? Nah, we eating dirty today. So I added some more ketchup and I'm going to give it another taste. You guys, don't go tasting food that you about to feed to other people with the spoon that you're cooking with. That's just nasty. Okay, now it was good, but I add Italian seasoning to everything. Don't ask me why. I just think it make it taste so much better. And then I tasted it once I added that Italian seasoning, and we had a go. Okay, we had a go. This is it. Let it simmer a little bit while I get these potatoes hooked up. So for these potatoes, I added in some garlic, a little bit of sea salt, and some complete seasoning to cover it up. And I also added in some paprika. Paprika. And then I'm going to add some cheese. Now I still have more. Those are going to go on top, but I'm going to baste these first, put some shredded cheese, and then as those get done, I am going to put those on top and do the exact same thing. Okay, so now it's time to make my joes, okay? Okay, so tell me if you eat your sloppy joes without cheese. I know it's good, but it just tastes so much better with cheese. So we have some sharp cheddar cheese slices. And I like to put a little joe at the top just to hold it all together, like in between. And then I have my cheesy chips here and with a side of ketchup. And you guys, this was my best junk meal of the week, okay? Best junk meal, but it can be healthy too. But you guys, thanks for watching. Let me know how you make your joes, and I'll catch you in the next one.